How to add users to Zoho CRM. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho CRM website. After you are in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of web interface. Now, in order to add users to Zoho CRM, you need to go to the settings first. Here in this home screen, at the bottom left, you can see this settings icon. Tap on this. Now, on the left hand side, you can see different setting menus. Here in this general section, you can see this users option. Tap on this. Now you'll be prompted to the user space. Now, in order to add users, you can tap on this new user button. From here, you can add a new user. You will need to provide a first name, last name, email address. You can select the roles and select the profile. Once you are done, you can tap on the save button. And there you go. That's how you can easily add users to Zoho CRM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.